this tutorial, we're going to be looking at 5 things that we can do with text in Photoshop CS3 Extended. First of all, I'm going to create a text layer. I'm going to call this test text. And we can see that we have this as the black. We can also just have this as a regular. I'm going to just deselect that and go to regular. And we can see that we can change some of the parameters, including bold, italic, regular, and so forth. So what we're doing is we're editing the style, and we can also create this bigger or smaller, depending on what we're needing for our presentation. I'm going to add a drop shadow, and we can have this a little bit smaller if we wanted. Increase the size of the drop shadow. We can also do different there we go. And also we can change the color of the drop shadow as well. There we go. Click Save. I'm going to change the direction of the text. And as you can see, I'm going to now move that. Very nice. I can also do things like underline, right, line left. We can also warp the text as well. We go back to text. I'm going to create an arc. There's different so to give a perception a little bit different, and we can change that back if we wanted to standard. There we go. There's different things that we can do with the text. I'm going to go back and I'm going to change the arc a little bit. There we go. As you can see, Photoshop is really powerful in working with text. I'm going to add a style. There's different, all different kinds of styles that we can add. And let's go with glass buttons, for example. We'll append that. And you find the right one that you want. And this is an example of working with text in Photoshop. And so just to recap, we looked at editing the style of the text, we added a drop shadow, we changed the direction of the text, we warped the text, and we added a style.